Master.
I will call you master in this
Okay,
conversation.
well, you are the master. I'm gonna just learn from you about conspiracy theories.
Okay.
What do you want to teach me today?
I will talk about the reptilian race.
Wow, okay.
And
who do you think is a reptilian? Do you mind if we sit down?
do we have reptilians here? No? Okay, we haven't.
She looks like a reptilian. Reptilian'ın ne olduğunu söylemem lazım. Özür dilerim. Do you mind if I explain in Turkish what we're talking about? Şimdi özür dilerim, belki çok uygun da değil ama ben Cem'in kendi istediği konuyu seçmesini istedim ve Cem şu konuyu seçti. Komplo teorileri, dünyada var olduğu kesin olmayan ama hakkında konuşulan ve reptilian dedikleri mesela böyle bir teori var. Üzgünüm, çok uygun da değil ama olsun, Cem istiyor, yapalım. Uzaylıların gelip burada insan formuna girip yarı sürüngen, yarı insan şeklinde bu tarz insanlar olduğunu düşünüyorlar aramızda. Ve bu bir komplo teorisi. Doğruluğu ya da yanlışlığı ispatlanmış bir şey değil. Ve biraz evvel Cem reptilian dedi. Ben dedim, Ayşe olabilir reptilian. Sonra dedim ki tabii ki şaka yapıyoruz. Konu normalde bunun üzerine gidiyor. And what should I know about reptilians?
They are faster and stronger than us, and they can transform into humans.
Okay, and what do you feed themselves? What do they feed themselves? I'm sorry. What do they eat?
I don't know much about that, but there's a conspiracy theory about Obama's reptilian bodyguard.
I know. I've seen that video, yes. This is something I'm very interested in.
It's confirmed it's fake, but it was interesting.
It was confirmed?
Yes,
Really? I did not
it's
know
just
that.
a man.
Yeah, but like the shape-shifting and the eyes changing
Yes.
colors and forms. And have you heard about Nicki Minaj? Or did you watch
No,
her video?
no.
Okay, they have some interesting scenes about her looks as well.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I will watch it.
Yeah, and Lady Gaga, the same. There are a lot of actually celebrity people that they believe that are reptilians.
Terrible.
Yes, I know. Things go south from there.
Other than that.
Are there a lot of conspiracy theories that you
Yes.
look into?
One of them was John Titor. Do you know that?
John Titor?
Yes.
And what is that guy about?
In 2001 and 2003, there was a guy called John Titor in blogs and forums, and he says he came from 2036.
Okay, that I've heard. Okay, the guy from the future.
Yes, he needs to find an old computer to crack the codes in the future.
Okay.
And
This I haven't heard, but okay, continue.
he has sketches about his team's logo, and he disappeared at 2003, I believe.
You mean he disappeared?
In forums, he did not read anything after that.
Okay. Well, things go weird again.
They're very interesting. I don't know if they're real, but if they're real, we're in trouble.
Yeah. There are a lot of conspiracy theories about the world and the environment and the future, and it's really hard to believe them until they're proven that they're real or they're not real. It's confusing, but I'm kind of surprised that at such a young age, how come you're so interested in this kind of things?
I don't know.
Don't you like sports?
No.
No, you don't.
No, I
Don't you
don't.
watch TV?
I watched Star Wars in the morning again.
Okay. And which episode?
3 and 4.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Oh,
5. I skipped 4. It's really
You
boring.
have memorized the number
Yes.
4 already, so not much worse.
Yes. An old guy comes and I'm a master.
Oh, yeah. Is he the Jedi?
Yes,
Or the
Obi-Wan.
Oh, okay. I'm not into Star Wars. I don't really.
He got
like
cut
it.
from his body.
Yes, that happens in Star Wars every once in a while. I'm sorry. What are you doing? You want to come and talk? Why
He has
not?
plans to destroy the world.
Why don't you join us? How about you, Mr. Arnold? Would you like to Share your opinions maybe about Star Wars or anything else.
Actually, I don't like Star Wars.
I don't either.
Why no one likes Star
I
Wars?
love.
Oh, she loves Star Wars.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
she does love Star Wars. Star Wars, yeah, exactly.
But it was a spoiler. Yeah.
Oh, you haven't watched all of them? Not all the episodes?
Yeah.
Because they've been out there forever. When was the last movie directed about Star Wars?
Last one.
Yes, in December.
Oh, okay.
New
I'm not a
seventh
fan.
one.
I don't know. Seventh one. I'm sorry. You lost me at the fifth. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm still waiting for a volunteer to come and show me some skills and some bravery, please. Yeah, we love volunteers. Come on. Good. I'm sorry. And bunu elimden geldiğince uzatacağım. Bu bana keyif veren bir şey. Hep size mi keyif verir? Biraz da kendine. Hello. Thanks. Bravery. Actually, it's good.
They will say just yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, so let's start
Yes,
asking
I wrote that.
questions. Let's ask him some questions. Hello, girls.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Are you excited?
Yes.
You want to say hello to the camera?
Hi.
We're on live TV. Well, that's not live TV. We're on live YouTube.
Okay.
How's that?
No one is watching.
No, everyone is here. How can anybody be
That's
watching?
smart. Bad.
That's okay. And what do you think about conspiracy theories? Do you have any opinions about that?
Maybe there are true. Maybe.
Would you
there are
like them to be
man-made.
true? Do you think there are reptilians in this world?
I think they are false. I don't believe
They're
that.
a big fuss,
Yeah, but
And why do you think people trying to confuse us with such a bad information, if it's a big fuss, of course? What do they gain out of it?
they're
What do they-
fighting with their theories. Maybe
I'm sorry, you said did they?
people that are fun with their
Oh, they're
theories.
making fun of each other.
Yeah.
is that- But that's only helping to create chaos, actually. Like, would you do the same things that you do every day if you knew for sure that there are some reptilians? There's a race that is stronger, faster, smarter than us?
I don't believe that.
Okay.
I will make a theory.
It wouldn't be
Yeah.
easy to believe, and it would actually give me a scare. I would be scared of such a thing. What if they wanted to destroy us?
If there will be true, but I love them.
Okay. I would try to make friends with them.
Yeah.
The guys who write books are Illuminati.
That is enough.
I made a theory.
Okay, I'm sorry, this is not a very proper subject to talk about at your age. But for some reason, this word and this whatever term actually called Illuminati, I don't know. And this is not good.
Yeah.
Don't do this. You show me the eye. You don't know what it is. So don't do it, please. All right. And please, just try to behave like your age, not some grown-ups, all right? You will have to behave like grown-ups when you grow up,
Yeah.
okay? And is there anything you like to add, mister? How about you, ladies? Do you want to say something? Why don't you turn around and thank your parents, maybe, because they have been a great help and great support in your lives. And
Yeah.
this is really good. And how about you for your mom?
Hello,
She's a-
reptilians.
Oh, he's calling you
How is
reptilian.
that?
You're such a bad boy. Yes, and thank you very much. And this has been a great show. This is the most fun I've had in a really long time. Özür dilerim. Bundan sonrasını Türkçe. Teşekkür ediyorum. Çok sağ olun. İnanın ki bu... Bu anı paylaşalım. Zaten bir resim çektireceğiz ama ben bir şey söylemek istiyorum. İnanın ki bu uzun zamandır en keyif aldığım anlardan biriydi. bu kadar emeğin karşılığını öyle ya da böyle aldık. Teşekkür ediyorum. Sizlere ayrıca teşekkür ediyorum. Buraya gelme cesaretini gösterdiniz. Çok sağ olun. Artık İngilizce konuşuyoruz. O moda girdiler. Evet, amaçlarımızdan biri de bu. Kendilerini özgüvenli olarak görebilsinler. Peki, önce şunu söyleyeyim. 3 ay sonra hepiniz buradasınız. Sizi neyin beklediğini görün. Evde boş boş oturmayın. Sema Hanım belki şu an bunu yapabilecek kuvvette ve azimde. Ama belki sen hazır olduğun zaman seni bekleyeceğiz oraya. Herkese, Melike, kaçış yok kızım. Biliyorum en aralarındaki böyle bu konuda sıkıntı yaşayacak kişi sensin ama neyse oldu. Peki herkes heyecanlı ben anlamam. 3 ay sonra hepimiz buradayız. Okey. Peki çok teşekkür ediyorum. Gelin. Teşekkür